Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an intro for a project that I've never done before. I don't know if I'm crazy because I have so many things and projects right now. I was trying not to double dip too much, but I ended up double dipping. So Kailee, everyone knows who she is. I'll link her down below. Fantastic individual, love her channel. I think everyone loves her. Was just seeing if anyone wanted to do it with her, and I told her I would be her date for this one. So we have 6 products to try and finish by, was it June 20th? I think that's what it is, or to hit our goals on. So I have 6 products here. Say a little prayer for me because I don't know what I'm after getting myself into. So let's just get into it. First product I chose is from Pixi. It is the Makeup Fixing Mist. There is 80 ml in it, or 2.7 fluid ounces. I'll mark it after this video when the foamy bit settles. I want to finish this in this project. I think I can do it. Gosh, I don't know if I can do it. But anyway, my goal is to finish this one. I do like this one. This is the rosy one, rose water and green tea. My favorite one is the Wake Up Mist one, the vitamin C one. I think that's just a preference on smell, to be honest. The mister is really, really nice. It's 22 euros. It's quite expensive. It's not a setting spray, but it does make your face feel better and melt your makeup together. Absolutely love these. But again, I think I'll just get the orangey one going forward. So I want to finish it. Next product I want to finish, and I haven't actually used it yet, is the Huda Beauty lip gloss in Hypnotic. It is a duochrome. There's only 2 ml in it, or 0.07 fluid ounces. The thing I noticed about this is it doesn't, like, a lot of product doesn't dispense onto the doe foot, and that's why it would take you any length of time. So let me just swatch. I tried to remove the swatches I had on my hand, but it wasn't going to come off. So that's it there. It's a purpley one. I want to finish this by June 20th. It's not that I have so many things in projects. That is the only thing that makes me kind of question my ability to do it. But I think I can. I'm pretty good at lip glosses, panning lip glosses. Oh, I hope I didn't shoot myself in the foot. But yeah, I want to finish this one as well. It would be nice to have these out by the summer. The next product I chose, this one was a tough one for me. But I wanted to challenge why I wanted to challenge myself, I don't know. I think by the sheer volume of products I have in projects is in of itself a challenge. But yeah, I wanted to challenge myself. A lipstick. It's a NYX high voltage lipstick in, where is the shade? In Dahlia. It is a purple dark blackberry lipstick. I used to love these. Still love them so much. I'm going to try and finish it all, but my goal for this project is to use half of what we see here, but I'm going to just try and finish it all. I do have it on today as a blush, and I don't know what it looks like on the camera, but I liked it as a blush. I really do want to go on because I have a few different of this exact shade in my collection, and I can't declutter something unless it has someone to go to. God help me. This one I'm scared of. I'm scared of this one. Next product I want to finish, Elaine gave it to me in our makeup swap. I'll link it up here in the cards. So she gave it to me. Glam Glow Hollywood California Gravity Mud Firming Mask. So I'm excited I think now that if I have it in a project, I'll use it more consistently. It's not open yet, so you know it's new. How many mils is it? How many mils is this? So there's 0.5 ounces in it, or 15 grams. So I want to finish this as well so I can get more consistent. Can you use it on your neck? I feel like that's where I want to use it there too. So I want to finish this as well by summer. There's 2 more products that I'm like, God help me. I want to use both of these 20 times, okay? For 2 different reasons. This one here, MAC blush. I have a load of blush in projects. God help me, what am I doing? I don't know. But this is a MAC blush. It's my second ever blush, and it's the first ever blush that I purchased myself. I don't know. I think it's in Dainty, is it? It's in Dame. I can see it here at a tilt. It's in the shade Dame. And I hit pan on that. You see that pan that you see there? That wasn't intentional. That's how much I use this blush. So I want to use it 20 times and see, does this work? It had hard pan on it before, so I put sellotape to it. Just put sellotape up against it and it was fine. There, where is it? I'm trying to see backwards. There it is there. I want to see, do I still like this? If not, I'm going to back to MAC it. I'm trying to kind of get more cutthroat with my blushes. I find it impossible though. So I want to use this 20 times. Look at that juiciness though. I think I'd end up keeping it just to pan it, but when you see how many blushes I have in my drawer, I don't know. But yeah, I want to use it 20 times. Look at it though. Look at that juiciness. The last product is a pigment, and the reason why is because I have 2 of these, and it is the Ingloss Pigment in 112. I weighed them both. They're both 25 grams. I wanted to see which one was lighter. How I ended up having 2 of these is when I was living, I think I was in college when I bought these, and it was house sharing, and I didn't have anywhere to store my makeup, so I had a shoebox. And so I actually didn't know I had a duplicate, and I bought another one. So it is a purple one, and I want to use this 20 times as well. I prefer putting number goals on these. Usage goals. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. Isn't that stunning though, in fairness? Isn't it gorgeous? I have so many eyeshadows and projects, like what am I doing? Oh god. Let me try and, oh, it's so pretty though. Okay, where did I put it? I think this would go well with my eyeshadow pen, the palette. Oh god, it's gorgeous though, isn't it? So I want to use this 20 times as well. Why didn't I just pour it into the lid? I don't know. Oh god, isn't that stunning, isn't it? So I want to use it 20 times by summer, and yeah. So that is it, guys. There are 6 new products that I'm going to be working on. God help me, I hope I hit those goals or come close to it, because I have so many things and projects. Check out, I'm going to link Kailee at the end, and I'm going to link her in the description box. Thanks so much for reaching out and asking. So happy to be doing something new this year. See you the next time.